What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're about to put some epoxy on the cab. We spent all day getting it ready and finally got it to this point, so we're going to see if we can get that done. We stripped some things down. I'll show you a couple things we found and how we dealt with them. So hang out with us and let's see how it goes. What you're looking at is the roof panel. We stripped the paint off and there's a layer of rust under the paint. It wasn't properly prepped before it was painted last time, so the rust is still there and trying to come back. We'll get rid of it this time, probably by sandblasting. We'll tape everything up and blast this roof just to make sure that it's gone, the metal's clean, and we'll put epoxy on it from there. So here on the bedside, there was actually a hole in it, a puncture that was just packed full of filler. They consider that good enough, but what we're going to do is go ahead and pull it out, weld up the hole, and make sure that there's no way moisture can come through from the backside and ruin our paint job down the road. that's about it for this episode. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate having you over here. It's time to untape this thing, do a little cleanup, and keep trying to make forward progress. Thanks, man.